What about a Froe? Those wooden pegs, or treenails, that lock joints together on an all-wood framework, were split off from a foot-long piece of hardwood with a tool called a Froe. This L-shaped cleaving tool had a blade along one face that was pounded into the wood with a maul. A handle held at the right angle to the blade was used as a lever, pushing and pulling the blade to and fro, as they say, to widen the split in the wood. First, 1-inch thick slabs were separated from a log. Then, 1-inch square sticks were split from the slab. Tapered at one end, the sticks made admirable joint nails.